Hello, good morning, good morning. Dito po tayo sa aking maliit na lupa. So ito yung dating kulungan ng baboy. Yan. So i-convert natin siya sa hydroponics greenhouse. Size ay 6 by 8, 6 meters by 8 meters. Pero guys, samahan nyo ako na maggawa ng greenhouse. Convert natin yung kulungan ng baboy sa greenhouse. Let's go guys!
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean.
Guys, malapit ng konting kembot na lang. Pipinish ko na yung aking greenhouse. So nagwe-welding ako ng pagkakabitan ng clip ng UV plastic. Clip ko na lang siya dyan. Yan. So mga tungtungan ko yan eh. Konti na lang. Brace na lang, mga brace. Ito yung seedling area. So mag-extension pa ako dito sa kabila. Pero tapusin muna natin ito. Nakapagkabit na po ako ng lalagyan ng UV plastic. So konti na lang. Ayun na, doon na yung tangke. Okay na yung tangke. Ayun na, malapit na to. Subaybayan niyo po ako guys, hanggang sa mabuo po at mapagana ko itong hydroponics. Okay, see you.
Good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga po. Dito po ulit ako sa ginagawa kong greenhouse. After duty, off duty tayo. So continue tayo sa paggawa. DIY lang po ito. 6 by 8 ang sukat niya. So samahan niyo ako guys. Malapit-lapit na matapos to. Okay, start tayo.
It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here the right call, and it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life.
katanim. Ito na po yung aking greenhouse. Pwede na po silang i-harvest ngayong end of the month. Ayan, almeti po siya. Ayan, powered by Keys Nutrients by Marvin Baisa Katanim. Ayan, napakaganda po. Walang tip burn. Okay. Sobrang lulusog po nila. Ayan. Ito po yung aking pump. Napakaganda po ng ang solution ni Sir Marvin Baisa Katanim po. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa na-impart yung knowledge sa mga vlog ni Sir Marvin Katanim. Dahil doon ay natuto tayong magtanim ng modern agriculture at maggawa ng greenhouse.